If you're working in StoryMaps and you want to add a quick 360 image from Google Maps to your project, we want to use the tool called the Street View Download 360. This is a free tool that you can use. There is a paid license that will give you the ability to download higher resolution images, but for the purposes of StoryMaps we won't really need that. So if you have a specific operating system, you can download the tool for the system that you need there. When you install the tool, it looks a little bit like this. You'll want to pick the folder that you will want to store the image to. I'm just going to set it to my desktop for the sake of demonstration purposes. And what we'll need to do is, you'll notice that the download panorama button is grayed out. We're just going to switch this resolution to 3328 and that will activate our button right here. And the next thing we'll need to do is grab the Street View URL or the panorama ID, and to do that we'll just switch to Google Maps. And you can search for wherever you want. I'd recommend using the satellite imagery so you can see kind of where you are to get a better view. You can use satellite or the street view, whichever one you want to use. And we'll just grab this little guy right here. Anywhere that is highlighted, we can grab an image from. So I'm going to just drop it right in front of the conservatory. And so here is the image I want to use for my project. So we'll want to grab the entire URL here at the top and copy that. We'll switch back to our tool and paste the whole URL into the tool and click Download Panorama. And you'll notice my image popped up right here on my desktop because that's where I set the save to be for my image. Now I'll flip back to StoryMaps and we'll go to our menu and select 360 image, and we'll just add our panorama that we just downloaded. And now we have a quick 360 image from Google Maps embedded into our story map.